Hello guys, Asad Yaqub here with another wonderful video on PTE Pearson Test of English. Okay, in this video I'm going to tell you about PTE writing question type summarize written text. Now there is the written text which you have to read and then you have to summarize that written text. Okay, they give you around 9 to 10 minutes for that. There is a long passage, not very long, but it takes time to read the passage and then you have to summarize that. Now there are a couple of ways of doing it. You can read all the passage or you can skim read all the passage, divide it into parts and you can see what is important information, and then you can rewrite that and you've got to write one sentence summary, and that one sentence is a compound sentence where you write like three sentences with the help of comma and conjunctions, or we call them signpost words. So you can do that. And by the way, we've got some hacks for this question type as well, right? One of my friends, Mr. Rizwan Ali Razi, he is from Mandi Bahauddin. He's a wonderful PTE trainer. He's got his Zoya IELTS and PTE zone. So he taught me this thing. He said, well, if the students cannot do it properly, ask them to select 2 to 3 sentences from the whole passage, and then the first sentence, add it with comma, then write the second sentence, and then write moreover, furthermore, and then write the third sentence. So they will get marks for that as well. Okay, so you can use some hacks, but otherwise you can just select 3 to 4 sentences, then paraphrase those sentences as per your own sentence structure, your own vocabulary. Ideas should be same. You can reword those ideas, you can paraphrase those sentences, rearrange and write your own sentence. Okay, so for PTE, a question type summarize written text, the first part or the first thing is understand the main idea. You should see what the text is about, right? The whole passage containing 3-4 paragraphs, what the text is all about. So you need to understand the main idea. Before you start writing your answer, carefully read the passage, because they give you 8 to 9 minutes for that, so you can do it. And grasp the main idea or central theme. Identify key points, arguments or information presented in the text. Understanding the gist of the passage is crucial for creating an effective summary. So if you want to do it without the hack, then you should do that. Paraphrase the text. Now, paraphrasing means to say something in another way. Thing is same, but wording is different. For example, if I say immediate response, quick action. See that? Okay, immediate response, quick action. Now this is what I call paraphrasing. So I've noticed one thing, my knowledge of IELTS, all the experience of IELTS, my experience of IELTS is helping me here. Focus on essential details. Now what are the details in the paragraphs? Because you know, when you write a summary, your summary should actually cover the main idea of the passage, right? Focus on essential detail and then maintain coherence and cohesion. Very important. The way you write a single sentence to summarize the whole passage, right? You need to maintain coherence and cohesion. What is coherence and cohesion? Connectivity of ideas. Coherence and cohesion means first thing first, then second thing, then the last thing, right? You can use some cohesive devices, moreover, first of all, secondly, finally, furthermore, and all that, right? So they should be proper. It is not like you've just copied some phrases and put them together. They should be proper grammatical correctness of this thing as well, right? Next, practice your time management. I think for this, time is not an issue because you will get plenty of time for this. They will give you 8 to 9 minutes to read the passage and you have to write 2 to 3 sentences only, so you can manage your time, but read the passage carefully. What do the students do? They don't read the passage, they pick up 2 to 3 sentences, they copy the sentences and they use comma and moreover and all that, and they finish it all. But I would advise you to read it and try to solve it in a better way so that you could get good score. All the best guys, thank you so very much. I also teach PTE live online and live in campus. If you wish to be the part of my PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.